invasion forced 8 million Ukrainians to flee their home, the largest refugee crisis since World War II. Many of those refugees are children, torn away from their lives, their families, experiencing incredible trauma and loss. This new documentary focuses on teenagers trying to make a new life in Poland, neighboring Ukraine.
It was 1 second. I was away because Reddit was crashing in our airport. And it was at the last second. My classmates asked me about how it was when we were beginning. I immediately explained how I go on the phone, how I feel when the traffic was crashing. I go in car and the teacher was in car. In one moment, everything can change.
No.
Images from World War II, but so many of those we document children. A year in, I wonder, how are they doing? There, you know, many of them are separated from their fathers, which of course war age men, but quite wrongly have to stay behind, so their part in the fight. What's that separation like from their fathers? How they react? It's really, really different. I mean, it's one of the central points of focus we're looking at is not only have witnessed extraordinary violence and combat, destruction of cities, the loss of people, their lives, but it's the separation of their families. They have extraordinarily traumatized. Imagine a lot of them lost their fathers. Yeah, the scale of it has been extraordinary. It's been one of the great, biggest elements of this war is just the scale of loss on the front line, and a lot of their fathers there is whether it's the loss of life or just the lack of communication in general. And once you're on. PTSD, the trauma of families, and so on. I wonder how those neighboring countries are dealing with it. I saw such an outpouring of welcome and hospitality to these refugees. A year later, do they still get the same support, the same welcome?
Your local Ashley store is now offering 0% interest for 6
countries to reevaluate their responses to refugee influxes. Don't
I can hear your thoughts.
How do they